Leather car seats add a touch of luxury to any vehicle, but they can start to look worn and faded over time. Dirt, stains, and cracks can make them look old and unappealing. Here are some easy steps to bring your leather car seats back to life. Start by cleaning the leather seats to remove dirt and grime. Use a vacuum cleaner to suck up any dust and debris. Then, take a soft cloth and apply a mix of mild soap and water. Wipe the seats gently but thoroughly. Avoid soaking the leather with too much water, as it can damage the material. Once done, wipe the seats with a clean, dry cloth to remove any leftover moisture. For stubborn stains, use a mix of vinegar and water. Dab the solution onto the stained area with a soft cloth. Avoid scrubbing too hard, as this can harm the leather. After the stain lifts, wipe the area with a damp cloth to clean off the solution, and then dry it with a soft towel. Leather Cleaner is a gentle yet effective solution designed to clean and restore the natural beauty of leather surfaces. Chemical Guys Leather Cleaner is a safe and effective product for cleaning car interiors. It gently lifts dirt and stains without altering the leather's color or scent. Perfect for restoring the appearance of leather seats. Its non-toxic formula is ideal for regular use, keeping your car's leather seats looking fresh and clean. Leather Conditioner helps keep leather soft, smooth, and extending its life and maintaining its natural shine. Leather Honey Leather Conditioner is perfect for keeping car seats soft and supple. It nourishes the leather, preventing cracking and fading. Regular use helps maintain the look and feel of your car's interior. A Leather Restorer helps restore and revive worn or damaged leather, bringing back its original look. The Coconix Vinyl and Leather Repair Kit is designed to fix tears, cracks, and scratches on leather and vinyl surfaces. It includes everything needed for professional-looking repair, including dyes, adhesives, and tools. Ideal for furniture, car seats, and more, it restores the material's appearance. The easy-to-follow instructions make it simple to use at home. By following these steps, your leather car seats will look brand new and continue to provide comfort and style for years to come.